Hi everybody, Hoosier Green Thumb coming at you today with one last video from Germany before I go stateside. So I'm going home to visit some family and I'm going to be out for a little bit, but there's a lot of stuff I've done that I didn't get time to process yet, as I have been saying continuously over the last whatever videos. So hopefully this time I'll actually be able to get some of the processing done in between. I'm going to be off for 2 weeks. My wife and kids are going to be staying here, but I'm going to be going home to visit the family. There's a couple of things I am hoping don't go too wrong while I'm gone, and that is one, the tomato plants, they're now been potted up, which is a video to come. And you can already see a couple days after you pot a plant up, you can see when it realizes it has more space, and it just kind of, and it comes alive and it starts to, get thicker, grow a little more. And so I'm starting to see that also with the zucchinis and the cucumbers. I have no idea exactly what all is going to end up happening in the garden while I'm gone, but I figure it's not going to be too much. I think it'll get some rain so that I can hopefully come back to a nicely ready to be well tended garden, and you won't notice that much of a difference, and you shouldn't notice that much of a difference because I will then be able to put out the stuff that I've already done in the meantime. So one last look around at the plants. One thing that does make me a little sad is I'm gonna miss the cherry blossoms. They're just now starting up, but for that I did get to see the mirabellum and the sour cherry tree. So you win some, you lose some. It is what it is. So I hope you guys have a wonderful time. I hope you enjoyed the short little update about what's going on, and I will see you again next time.